How are you?
I am fine.
Alright, so let's continue our lesson programming with Rey and BB8. We already finished 7 puzzle. So let's continue with the next puzzle. So here is the puzzle. We need to collect all the metals. So let's see how Avnish is going to perform it.
I'm going to take repeat block.
You are going to use repeat block, okay.
And I'm going to change the number 2.
Okay.
And I'm going to take 2 east.
2 east, okay, 1 east.
1 east, 2 east,
Mm-hmm.
1 south,
Mm-hmm.
and 2 south.
Okay, so you used 2 east. Alright, so we finish the puzzle. Let's continue to the next one. So here is the challenge puzzle. So Avnish, are you ready for challenge puzzle?
Yeah, I am ready.
So let's see what's there in the challenge puzzle. So here is the challenge puzzle. We need to collect all the metals. So this is somewhat tricky. Let's see how Avnish is going to perform it.
I'm going to take repeat.
You're going to use repeat.
And then I'm going to take 1 west,
1 east.
1 east, 2 east,
Mm-hmm.
1 south,
Okay.
and then 1 west,
1 west,
and 2 west.
2 west. Okay.
And then 1 south,
Okay, 1 south. So this step you are going to repeat 3 times.
and one south,
1 east.
1 east, and 2 east.
Okay. Okay. So let's run it. Wow, we completed the challenge puzzle. Let's continue to the next lesson, next puzzle. So here is the next puzzle.
You can do it.
So let's see. Let's start.
I'm going to take repeat block,
Okay, you're going to use repeat block.
and then I'm going to take south,
South.
and I'm going to change the number 6 step,
6 step south. Okay.
and then I'm going to take 1 west,
Okay, 1 west.
and again I'm going to take repeat block,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm going to take 4 step,
4 or 5.
I think 5,
Okay.
and then I'm going to take a run,
North. Okay.
and then let's
Let's-
run the program.
Wow.
The puzzle is complete.
Okay, so let's continue to the next one. So here is the next puzzle. We need to collect all the metals. So let's see.
I'm gonna take repeat block.
You're going to use the repeat block.
Now I'm gonna change the number
Okay.
into.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take 1 north
1 north.
and 2 north,
Okay, 1 more north.
1 more north, 1 west,
1 west.
and another west.
Okay.
And then let's run the program. Yeah, the puzzle is complete.
Wow, so we completed it. So let's move to the next one, I think, which will be the last. So here is the final puzzle. So let's see how Avnish is going to perform it.
I'm gonna take repeat block,
Okay, you're going to use repeat. Okay.
and I'm gonna take 2 step,
2 step repeat.
west,
East.
east,
Okay, 2 step east.
and then I'm gonna take repeat block,
Mm-hmm.
2 step,
2 step.
again south,
Okay, south. Okay.
and then I'm gonna take repeat block,
Repeat block.
and I'm gonna change 4,
4 step
west.
west. Okay.
I'm gonna take a repeat block again
Mm-hmm. Repeat block.
and take 4
4 step
north,
north. Okay, good.
and then let's run the program.
Hey, we finished the puzzle. This is final puzzle. So we finished today's lesson. So we finished all the 12 puzzles in this lesson. So thank you very much. If you haven't watched the previous videos, links are given in the description.
So like and subscribe, watch our videos. Don't forget to click bell icon. Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.